flip a Hosim?
In episode 1, you got to see the Mojarco take a beating around some open field bashing, but today we're going to be racing it against a brand new Arrma Talion, and we're going to be taking it out and bashing it and throwing the speed penny on it and doing all the tests to finish off this really cool truck. Hope you enjoy.
So back here on this big 6S Hosim, you can see where it pulled this rod in out of here. It completely stripped outside of here. So I'm gonna put some glue in here. Wait on my batteries. I'm gonna put some glue in here and hopefully go back out and run this thing. So really the only thing that messed up on this truck were the clips, was that center brace right here, and my straps all got broken. Now they did send me a whole pack of straps with this truck and a whole bunch of extras, including the clips. But I had some extra, I think more heavy duty, like the Garage Life one that we're gonna strap on here. And then we're gonna go and bash the heck out of it again.
But first, let's start out with a little Mojarco versus the brand new Talion action.
We got literally the same motor. The Hosim can stay up with me. All right, Mason, come run him again. All right, guys, so we got the Hosim M33, and we got the new Talion. Let's see how these work together. Yeah, oh yeah, we got the new Talion and the M33. Let's see. On your mark, get set, go. I mean, it hung with you for a second. It hung with you for a second, though. That Talion's crazy. On choppers, too. Hit it again. Oh yeah, dude, you're floating. Yeah. That thing is floating. The Hosim bad though. Put a speed pinion in that thing. It might keep up. All right, y'all boys ready? Yeah. On your mark, get set, go. I mean, I don't know on that one. You were just walking. There you go. There you go. Yeah. Go. Oh. Hosim. Oh, that was a good crash. Let's stop recording. Even if they run it over, it won't break. It's a Hosim. Your steering go out too?
Well, it looks like
Arrma, baby, I'm telling y'all. Let's go. This is what, 5 minutes like total playtime with this car now?
Yeah.
I told you gotta sell it. Once you have one problem, you gotta sell them. Nothing. Bro. That's insane. That's 800 and what, like 9 after tax. That's crazy. And now the steering's out. Arrma tough. Arrma tough. Is it even listening to you?
Is the axle popped out?
No, that axle's not. That axle's
So
not.
it's just fighting me the whole time.
Don't worry, if you posted this somewhere, they're gonna tell you it's because you did not set the endpoints. That's what you will hear, because you did not set the endpoints. So I'm guessing the servo is done for. See, that's crazy. It turns good there. And now you got it again. The Mojarco. What do you think about the Mojarco, Mason?
It's pretty good.
Yeah, you like it? She's pretty speedy for what she is. And it even came with a speed pinion that you could put on there too. I'm gonna have to put that on and then go back and test. Oh, why are you doing this? Donis is letting me try out his new Talion. Let's see. You wanna line up? Good God. It just walks. This thing is geared so good.
Choppers, pizza company.
I caught you coming back. Oh my good God. Did I get you? I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Oh.
That tire, I mean, stood up and
Yeah.
rolled over. Battery's fresh.
Oh. That was weird. It was just like not giving it full power right there. I mean, it's one of the cool things at like 50%.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir. That's insane.
Some choppers.
I really appreciate that. Good heavens. Braden's nice, man. Our Talion's nice. Oh! This crab walking on the road, man. Broke ball joint. Oh my God. Oh! There you go.
That's what happened with my sleds. Those choppers went to pizza cutting.
Yeah, yeah. No, that,
Right into
how they have that geared is crazy. Whoa, tree! Oh man, that thing is beautiful.
as long as you can keep the power through the ground,
Yeah,
I think it'd be a hard one to beat.
yeah. No, that's right out the box too, besides tires. So that's
Still not got the speed gear in it.
that's not even the speaker, huh? Good heavens.
Wouldn't be able to keep it over there.
Yeah, that's insane. It's making all of us smile.
Oh, the steering's back. The steering won't go.
Yeah. All right, now you gotta drive the Hosim. Like I don't care.
Get my kid one of those.
Okay, yeah, exactly. Like I don't care about that kid's toy. Look at him. He started before he had you walk. Literally, you got sidewalls for days. Oh my God. Yeah, I'm telling you, that thing right there, you probably whoop everybody. Especially with the choppers. Go with the stock tires for this, for asphalt, and then the choppers for...
They would probably shred these with that speed.
Yeah. I'm surprised you even have any rubber left. Oh, nice. Something just came up. I don't know what that was. Hope that wasn't a tire. Yeah. My tire particles are left all around here now. Man, that's a sick ride there, buddy. I'm happy for it.
Together.
Yeah. That's weird. It must have just folded over on itself and quit working for a second.
It's almost dead.
Really?
Whoa, steering won't click again.
It's almost dead?
Yeah,
Well, you were running full throttle back and forth, so it lasted pretty long.
steering won't click again.
You could definitely ride on two wheels with that thing. Yeah. Uh-oh.
Will it survive?
Oh. I think it survived that time. You might have convinced me I need to go get one.
I'm a little happier with this pack than the last two.
Yeah.
Well, I didn't even get a pack with the last two times.
I don't know what you did differently this time. Shoot. Oh. Nice. Good save. When you're like right here, would you get on it? Because I want to see if we can get a good shot of that tire. Yeah, I bet. That's what I was thinking. Look, give me a little PTSD. Oh, steering locked up. And it's still not steering?
Try to return the receiver.
But it'll go that way.
Let's look at what's going on with the Mojarco. Now steer. Do it again. I think there's crap in the way of the
I think that's
thing.
what it is, because when I flipped, it was perfectly fine.
See it now.
Nah.
No, still don't go that way. Now can you jump over it doing 70? I was saying you, not me. Thing is so fast. Yeah. Nice scratches there, buddy. Wing pulled out and the ball end came out again. Rip
That's
right
what I
through.
need it ready for next weekend, but it's gonna be hard pressed. We'll see.
Yep.
Yeah, so this is the problem we started experiencing with the Mojarco as we were racing Italian. Doesn't want to turn to the left anymore, so I'm going to have to get in here and see what the problem is. Turns out, guys, it was just rocks that was lodged in here, so now it turns fine. Now we're going to put the speed pinion on and see just how fast this thing can go. So this is a 15 tooth on the motor, and then this is a 17 tooth that it comes with, so that's probably how we're going to hit the 50 miles an hour. All right, guys, we got the GNSS back on here with the speed pinion. Let's go see how much faster it is than 47.
All right, we got the GNSS going here. Now remember, guys, this is after we bashed it a few times. So let's see what the speed pinion. Oh, we're hauling. Let's get another good pass down this road here. Oh my God. We're upside down.
It's just skating out here, boys, on this speed pinion.
Thought we were hitting the mailbox. Oh my God. Dude, his front tires just make it scoot. Handle's pretty straight with TSM. Say what you want, this thing is hauling though. All right, moment of truth. Moment of truth here. Stop, read. 53, so we went up 6 miles an hour. That's not bad at all for just a few teeth jump. I think it's literally only 2 teeth. It is officially just a screamer now, guys. What do you say we go bash this thing pretty hard? All right, one more chance of trying to kill the Hosim. We'll ramp it off down here. Let's see. I mean, he kind of scoots.
We're gonna go flying.
Oh yeah. My bad. I just will hold the throttle down, so. Backflip a Hosim? Yeah, baby.
I'm definitely getting that from down here.
Somehow got up. Missed it.
Dead. This one's dead.
Missed it. It's angry at you. It remembers what you did to it.
I knew it was coming right for you, so I was trying to
SCT truck for the win. We've already killed the... I think we already overheated that fast. That's what just holding the throttle down the entire time does to it.
Is it done?
Oh, I can't do anything. That's just holding it down the whole time. All right,
Oh yeah.
battery died on the Hosim. Let's see if we can kill it. Through the trees. Oh God, what a bad wreck. Flies just like a short course truck. Oh, I thought I had enough, but I didn't. Bad landing. Then locked up again.
So honest review on the Mojarco, guys, as we have it back here on the shelf being all pretty and stuff. It did not break anything from the bashing that we did. the remote thing, I can't get over the remote thing, guys. I mean, out of the box, but Hosim's gonna make it right. They are gonna send me one. I just wanted to go ahead and use it with the Traxxas remote just so I could get the video out to you guys. But it could definitely take a beating just like every SCT truck can. The power is just a wee bit underwhelming versus other 6S trucks, but I still think that this is a great platform that they're going to build off of. I know it's relatively new, so maybe we put a big old engine in it, we could see what the Mojarco can do. Let me know, guys, down below what you think of the Mojarco, and I'll see you in the next video.